Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2021, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the notification panel, and here you will see all the available icons on our top bar. Just to add, remove or change the position of these icons, click here to the plus icon, and now just we can see there's 5 icons that we can add here. Just to do that, you should hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this down section, and then just to confirm the changes, click to done, and you can see now here there's still added new icons here. To remove some icons from here, by the same way, hold for a while and drag this icon to this up section by this way. And just to change the positions, by the same way, hold for a while icon and drag it to the position where you want to change. And just to save the changes, click here to done. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.